Grapes' nutritional properties. There are many types of grapes. Green, purple, black, or sultanas, used for raisins or winemaking. Although they differ in flavor and texture, all grapes share a highly nutritious profile. Grapes are antioxidants, rejuvenating, mild laxatives, diuretics, and immune system boosters. They also help maintain circulatory and kidney health, have anti-cancer properties, and provide energy. Grapes contain vitamins A, C, E, and B complex, along with essential minerals such as potassium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper. In terms of calories, 100 grams of grapes provide about 71 kcal, making them a light and perfect fruit for a balanced diet. Health benefits of grapes. Grapes offer multiple health benefits due to their antioxidants, polyphenols, and essential nutrients. Among them, delay aging. Resveratrol, especially in red and purple grapes, protects cells and keeps skin hydrated and wrinkle-free. Weight management support. Soluble fiber and low calories help metabolize sugar and support a flatter stomach. Green grapes are ideal for a low-calorie option. Heart protection. They relax blood vessels, reduce cholesterol, and prevent clot formation, contributing to healthy circulation. Suitable for diabetics. Whole grapes have a low glycemic index, allowing moderate consumption to help control blood sugar levels. Boost memory and brain health. Antioxidants improve cerebral circulation, prevent cognitive decline, and enhance concentration. Eye care. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect the retina from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Immune system support. Vitamin C and polyphenols strengthen natural defenses, fight infections, and reduce inflammation. Bone health. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and manganese help maintain strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Detoxifying effect. Promote toxin elimination and support liver and kidney function. How to eat grapes. The best way to consume grapes is fresh and raw, piece by piece, without peeling. To maximize their benefits, eat them on an empty stomach, mid-morning or mid-afternoon, avoiding combining them with heavy foods that may ferment and cause digestive discomfort. You can also incorporate them into recipes such as grapes with cheese, grape juice, fruit salads, or fruit cocktails. What happens if you eat grapes every day? If you eat grapes daily, you may notice many of the benefits mentioned before. More radiant skin, better digestion, more energy, and overall well-being. Their high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals benefits the body inside and out. However, as with almost everything, moderation is key. It is not recommended to consume more than 50 grams per day, as excess may add too much sugar, have a mild laxative effect, or cause digestive discomfort. Contraindications of grapes. Although grapes are a very healthy fruit, they also have some contraindications that should be taken into account. Their consumption is not recommended for people who have shown any allergy symptoms, however mild, nor for children under 3 years old, as their size can cause choking if eaten whole. In addition, those taking medication for circulation or anticoagulants should be cautious, because grapes can thin the blood and affect those with clotting problems or wounds that heal slowly. If you want to keep learning about the benefits of other natural remedies, check out the playlist we've left next to this video. Will you include grapes in your daily diet? Let us know. Until next time, ecologists.